Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go with joystick. So let's start it. First you download two apps from the Play Store. First Pokemon Go and another this Smoke GPS with joystick. You want to download and open it. And he says something that I set fire 39. Here's the location. Just click to teleport here and open your Pokemon Go. And that you see the joystick is fully working. But I tried to code cold bad. I think I don't caught it. Just leave it. I don't got gold red and got another Pokemon. The best location for Pokemon Go is Fire 39 because in Fire 39 there are so many Pokestops and Pokemon are seen here. Don't got fly type Pokemon. I got ground type Pokemon and I can't. I got Horsey. I got Horsey. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Technical Indian Gamer. Thanks for viewing my video.